If you're chasing cleaner, more consistent cups at home, this countdown is for you. Today we're ranking the best Flat Burr Grinder picks across brew-only clarity, espresso-focused precision, and true all-around versatility. If something catches your eye, you'll find the model names and links in the description. In fifth place, we have the Eureka Mignon Specialita. This compact, espresso-focused grinder pairs 55mm hardened steel flat burrs with steepless micro-adjustment, letting you fine-tune flow rates with tiny collar movements. A backlit touchscreen simplifies timed dosing, and the sound-insulated case keeps noise notably low, ideal when you're pulling early morning shots. In the cup, the Specialita produces fluffy, low-clumped grounds that support consistent extractions shot after shot. While it can head toward coarser settings for brew, its real strength is staying in the espresso lane where set-and-forget dialing shines. Enthusiast feedback consistently notes that frequent single dosing or big swings between brew methods aren't its happy place. Like most hopper-first designs, it's best when you commit to a bean and style with only small purges between tweaks. If you want a quiet, refined upgrade that focuses on espresso without taking over your counter, the Specialita hits the balance of performance, size, and polish. Coming in at number 4 is the fellow Ode Gen 2. Designed expressly for filter brewing, its 64mm flat burrs and upgraded anti-static system keep retention low and produce fluffy grounds that make pour-over, French press, and cold brew taste clean and expressive. Day-to-day, the workflow feels purpose-built. Auto-stop for hands-off grinding, a magnetically centered catch cup to keep transfers tidy, and a compact, quiet motor that lives easily on the counter. Reviewers highlight clearer flavor separation than typical conical grinders at this price, along with the way its anti-static ionizer reduces chaff cling so your bar stays neater. Just know what it isn't. By design, Ode Gen 2 is brew-only and not intended for espresso. Also, like many brew-oriented flats, very oily dark roasts can gum up shoots faster, so occasional purging and cleaning pay off. If you're after a cafe-style clarity and a clean modern workflow for filter methods, the Ode Gen 2 looks as good as it grinds. At number 3, you'll find the Mahlkönig X54 Allround Home Grinder. The goal here is one premium flat burr grinder that can handle both espresso and brewed coffee, and it largely delivers. German-made 54mm special steel burrs and steepless adjustment give you precise control from fine to coarse, while swappable front forks accommodate either a portafilter or a dosing cup with ease. Owners call out quiet operation, handy timed presets, and a companion app for recipes and grind logs, useful for repeatability when you switch beans or styles. In the cup, distribution is uniform, yielding syrupy espresso and balanced drip when properly dialed in. As with many hopper-forward designs, single dosing is possible but not its strongest suit, so you'll expect a small purge if you frequently hop between beans or methods. Where the X54 excels is as a low-retention, set-and-forget home workhorse that pulls shots in the morning and brews pour-over later with minimal drama, offering substantial build quality with controls that are approachable for newcomers and satisfying for enthusiasts. Taking the second spot is the Baratza Forté AP. If you want a premium, all-purpose flat burr grinder that confidently covers both espresso and brewed coffee, this is a rock-solid upgrade. Its 54mm ceramic flat burrs deliver uniform, repeatable grounds with a balanced, structured cup profile. Dialing in feels precise thanks to a macro-micro adjustment system that offers 260 total steps, making it straightforward to nail espresso flow rates and then jump to pour-over or AeroPress without losing your bearings. The responsive touchscreen lets you program by weight or by time, so you can save a few recipes for different beans and switch with a tap. Daily use feels commercial in the best way. A metal housing, compact footprint, a shut-off hopper, and straightforward burr removal that keeps maintenance quick. In practice, extractions are consistent with clear flavors and low bitterness when dialed in. It's happiest as a hopper-style set-and-forget grinder. Single dosing is possible, but frequent switches will require a small purge. Ceramic burrs bring longevity and temperature stability, while some users simply prefer steel for a slightly punchier filter body, a flavor preference rather than a performance gap. If cafe quality results with precise controls and long-term serviceability matter, the Forté AP anchors a home bar for years. And finally, at number 1, the Timemore Sculptor 078S. This single-dose standout brings near-commercial performance into a sleek, home-friendly package. Massive 78mm flat burrs team up with a variable RPM motor, letting you tune particle shape and body toward high-clarity brews or richer espresso extractions. The workflow is dialed for enthusiasts, a vertical feed path that moves beans smoothly, a magnetic cup for tidy transfers, and a rotary knocker to clear fines. Reviewers consistently praise its excellent alignment, very low retention, and standout clarity, especially with lighter roasts where flavor separation pops. Adjustable speed helps reduce heat and static while allowing you to bias for different methods, making it versatile across espresso and filter without swapping burrs. Minor nitpicks include a utilitarian power button and that its ultra-clean cut profile may feel lean for drinkers who prefer heavier chocolate-forward results. But as a precision tool, it's fast, consistent, and impressive, bringing modern cut profiles and an on-camera wow factor to any setup. To recap, the Eureka Mignon Specialita for quiet espresso-focused precision, the fellow Ode Gen 2 for clean, modern filter brewing, the Mahlkönig X54 as a polished all-arounder, the Baratza Forté AP for premium, programmable versatility, and the Timemore Sculptor 078S for single-dose power with variable RPM control. If this helped you narrow your shortlist, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next roundup. You'll find everything we mentioned neatly organized through the links in the description.